Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up the Agree to Terms widget, a simple but powerful feature that ensures your customers acknowledge your terms and conditions before checkout. It's a great way to enhance the shopping experience, keep your customers informed, and encourage smooth order completion. Accessing the widget. To access the Agree to Terms widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, then select Cart Drawer. Go to Cart Order Summary and choose Agree to Terms. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings Free Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Order Summary, Agree to Terms. Here you can customize all settings. Text. Add. Here you can add your terms and conditions link as well. Example. I agree with the terms and conditions. Is checked by default? Enable this to have the checkbox pre-selected at checkout. And that's it. Your Agree to Terms widget is now ready. Customers can conveniently confirm their agreement, making their shopping experience smoother and helping you boost conversions. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with your Debutify theme.